Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem of lag on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve your lag on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of Snapchat and you click here in this page as you see and you will enter. Then this list of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click manage storage because that can delete your data. And in the end of all these steps, you can turn off your phone and you can wait 3 seconds to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.